Hello, thank you very much for your interest in NetOP Technology devices. In this video, we will talk about current meter and how to install current meter devices. First, we have NetOP devices, which is current meter, and we have current transformer, which is equal to 150 ampere, but we can provide different values as well, so you can easily select one of other version as well. And firstly, we need to insert the current transformer into the NetOP Technology Current Meter devices like this. And let me share some extra information with you. You can find more videos on our YouTube page about how to open Enclosure, how to close Enclosure, how to give power to the device, and so on. So just please visit our YouTube page for more information and how to videos. And after that, we need to open the Enclosure and give the power to the device. There is just one way, only way, to insert this cable to power supply. When you give the power, you should see LED is blinking. So let's close the Enclosure. As you can see, the device was connected to the network and it is ready to monitor current value right now. So after that, the device is ready to monitor current value. I would like to get your attention here because there is a general mistake somebody may make. We shouldn't monitor the current value of this cable like this. It is not correct because here there is 0 ampere right here. We should monitor the current value of a cable. Let me show you. So let's monitor the current value of this phase, this cable. So all you need to do is insert the power transformer like this and make it stable. And it is ready to monitor the current value of that phase right now. And the standard data transmission period of this device is 15 minutes. But if you wish, you can set, you can change this data transmission by yourself, or you can let us know. And in this video, we did use LoRaWAN current meter devices. But on the other hand, we can provide different connectivity versions such as LoRaWAN IoT, IoT, and so on. You can find more information on our wiki page, which is wiki.iotshops.net. You can also find the link in below. So if you have any information or if you need any more information, you can let us know. Thank you very much for your time.